Good afternoon. I am Prakash Badjugar from CFTRI, and I am going to speak on effective steps to improve food processing at village level. With about 70% of Indian population dependent on agriculture and food processing sector, farmer plays a vital role in Indian economy. However, marginal farmer cannot get a remunerative price for his food commodity due to small quantities available at his disposal, and quite often incurs losses due to price fluctuations in the market. To address these issues, grouping of farmers or by way of farmer producer companies or food farmers clusters is the right solution to this critical issue. And these farmer producer companies can collect the large quantities of commodities, and by adoption of appropriate primary processing techniques, they can sell it to the demand based markets and also to directly to the food processing ventures and get better get practices. The rural folks are not aware of the basic causes of food spoilages and how to avoid them. Appropriate technological options available to them, various facets of primary processing, what cares to be taken with regard to hygienic practices to be followed in the food supply chain, and also sometimes the farmers adopt the unethical practices like ripening of fruits by using calcium carbonate. Also, sometimes the farmers sprinkle water on chilies to increase its weight. But during the process, moisture content is increased and the chilies become susceptible to mycotoxin development. And infrastructural facilities need to be created at village level as well as at APMC market levels for primary processing as well as storage of different food commodities. For farmer community, primary processing appears to be the best technological options they can adopt. Other than that, technology suitable for villagers are milling of grains to produce products like wheat, atta, shelf-stable jawar and bajra flours, various value-added millet products, brown rice, and traditional foods, flaking, popping of the products, minimal processing of vegetables, bulk preserved fruit juices, and brine preserved fruit pieces for downstream processing later on, and some simple technology based value added products based on other commodities. There is also need to establish food parks, food clusters, and other than these food processing facilitation centers in line with KVKs also need to be established, which with support from appropriate supporting agencies. This can provide advisory consultancy, advisory support services to rural folks with regard to technological options, selection of technologies, machineries, packaging systems, and additives and ingredients, and also on establishments of brands and marketing linkages, food quality and regulatory aspects. Then this also there is a need of setting up of model food processing demonstration centers commodity wise in for the farmers, and also incubation centers which can be run by food technology colleges or these food processing facilitation centers. These short duration courses in regional languages to be organized for farmers on simple technologies adaptable by them, and also on various aspects of primary processing, and also on simple food testing methodologies. Then there is also a need for farmers to visit to different exhibitions and successful food processing units. Some food technology colleges also need to adopt one village at least for empowerment of farmers with regard to food processing and preservation, and by way of internship of their students in villages in line with that of medical college interns, and then advise and then proactive support and involvement of food technologies, different promotional government departments, AFST, food technology colleges, their alumni, professional food technology experts can play a vital and significant role in making these village industries successful. Thank you very much.